Example 3. Find the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle whose vertices are A, B, and C. When you say circumcircle of a triangle, that means your triangle is inscribed in a circle. Your triangle is inscribed in a circle. So this coordinate point here is A. Let's say A 2, 3. Now let's say this place is B, and B is 5, 4, and C is 3, 7. Now to get the equation of this circle, what we are going to do is we'll try to write the general equation of the circle: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So we say for point A, that is 2, 3, it implies that x is 2 and y is 3. Substitute to the general equation. So we have 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 2g times x. X is 2 plus 2f times y. Y is 3 plus c is 0. 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9 plus 2 times 2, that's 4g, plus 2 times 3, 6f plus c is equals to 0. So we have that 13 plus 4g plus 6f plus c is 0. So this is equation 1. Then for point B, that's for point B, which is 5, 4, it implies that x is 5 and y is 4. Substitute to the general equation of the circle. So we have 5 squared plus y squared, that's 4 squared, plus 2gx, that's 2 times g, and x is 5 plus 2fy, that's 2f, y is 4 plus c is 0. 5 squared is 25 plus 4 squared 16 plus 2 times 5, 10g plus 2 times 4, 8f plus c is equals to 0. So 25 plus 16, that is 25 plus 16, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 41. So we have that 10g, this 10g plus 8f plus 41 plus c is equals to 0. This is your equation 2. And for point C, 3, 7, that means that x is 3 and y is 7. Substitute to the general equation of a circle: x squared, that's 3 squared, plus y squared, which is 7 squared, plus 2gx. X is 3 plus 2fy, that's 2f, y is 7, plus c is 0. 3 squared is 9, plus 7 squared is 49, plus 2 times 3, that is 6g, plus 2 times 7 is 14f, plus c is equals to 0. So 49 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1, that's 58. So we have 58 plus 6g plus 14f plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 3. So we now have 3 simultaneous equations. You can solve with your matrices, but I'll be solving by the normal elimination method. So by elimination method, why am I using elimination method and not substitution method? The coefficient of c is 1, 1, 1. So I want to eliminate c. So I'll be having 2 unknowns. This is 3 unknowns in 3 equations. So I can easily eliminate c and have 2 unknowns. That's g and f. So I can decide what I want. Equation 3 minus 1. Equation 3 minus equation 1. So that's 6g minus 4g gives 2g. 4f minus 6f is plus 8f. Then c minus c is 0. Then as I said, c minus c is 0. Then we have 58 minus 13. You can write it 58 minus 13, that is 0. So 58 minus 13, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 2g plus 8f plus 45 is equal to 0. This is a new equation 4. And now I need another equation having 2 unknown. So I'm going to say equation 3 minus 2 now. So state your work, equation 3 minus equation 2. 6 minus, okay, let me take equation 2. You can take any equation. Let me take equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. You can take any equation. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6g. 8f minus 6f gives you 2f. C minus C, 0, that will be eliminated. Then you have 41 minus 13 plus 41 minus 13 is equal to 0. 41 minus 13, borrow 1. 11 minus 3, that will give you 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6g plus 2f plus 28 is equal to 0, a new equation 5. I'll be solving equations 4 and equations 5 simultaneously. This is equation 4. So by elimination method, if you multiply equation 4 by 3, you make g 6. You can eliminate g. So you state your work. Equation 4 times 3. 3 times 2, that's 6g, plus 3 times 8 is 24f, plus 3 times 45. 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13 is equal to 0. This is a new equation 6. So I'll be solving equation 6 now and 5. So equation 5 says 6g plus 2f plus 28 is equal to 0, equation 5. And equation 6, 6g plus 24f plus 135 is 0, equation 6. By subtraction, I will eliminate g. So I will decide what I want. Equation 6 minus equation 5. 6g minus 6g, 0, that will be eliminated. 24f minus 2f give you 22f plus 135 minus 28. 135 minus 28. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 2, 0, 1. So that is 107 is equal to 0. So 22f is minus 107. Therefore, f is minus 107 over 22. To get g, you substitute into equation. You can use 5, you can use 6. Equation 5. 5 looks simpler because of 28 is smaller than 135. So 6g plus 2f plus 28 is 0. 6g plus 2, f is minus 107 over 22 plus 28 is 0. 6g plus 2 here 1, 2 here 11, that's plus minus 1 over 7 over 11 plus 28 is equals to 0. So I can decide that 6g, let me find the LCM. There are many ways you can do it. So now let me decide that 6g over 1. So we said 6g is equal to minus 107 over 11 comes here. You have 107 over 11 minus 28. This is fraction. You express it as fraction and you calculate, find the LCM. The LCM is 11. 11 here is 1 times this, 107 minus 1 here, 11. 11 times 28. When you are multiplying 28 by 11 by 2-digit number, so 2 plus 8, that's 10. Write the 0 and carry 1. Add 1 to 2 gives you 3. I come again. When you're multiplying 2-digit number by 11, so just add the digits together and put the answer in the middle. But if the answer is more than 10, 10 or more, you carry. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry 1. Add it here, so you have 3, 0, 8. Let's check. 28 times 11, 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 2, 2. We have 8, 0, and 3. So that's 3, 0, 8. So minus 107. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6g is, this is smaller than this, so we have minus 201 over 11. Multiply both sides by 1 over 6. Both sides by 1 over 6. So therefore, g is minus 201 over 6. But I also realized that 3 is a common factor here. If you want to know if a whole number is divisible by 3, when you add the digits together, it gives you a number, a multiple of 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 here is 2. 3 in 20 is 6. That's 18. Meant that 2. 3 in 21 is 7. So we have that g is equals to minus 67 over 11 times 2. That's 22. Now we recall that f is this and g is this. Now we need to calculate the value of c. So you can substitute any of these two f and g into any of the three equations. So I want to use equation 1, substitute into equation 1. That is 4g plus 6f plus c plus 13 is 0. 4 times g is minus 67 over 22 plus 6f minus 107 over 22 plus 13 is 0. So 2 here 11, 2 here is 2. 2 times 7, 14 carry 1. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. That is minus this over 11. This is minus, minus you overcome plus, you have minus. 2 here 3, 2 here 11. 3 times 7 is 21, 1 carry 2. 3 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 3 times 1 is 3 over 11 plus 13. Now we have plus c in the formula, plus c is 0. So now c will now bring this one here, becomes 134 over 11 plus 321 over 11 minus 13 over 1. So the LCM is 11. 11 here is 1. 1 times 134, 134 plus 11 here 1. 1 times 321, 321 minus 1 here 11. 11 times 13, 13 times 11. The logic we did the other time, 1 plus 3 is 4. When you are multiplying two-digit number by 11. So that is 143. 143. So 134 plus 321. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then subtract 143. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 312 over 11. So C is 312 over 11. Now to get the equation of the circle, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. So x squared plus y squared plus 2g, g is minus 67 over 22x plus 2f minus 107 over 22 times y plus c 312 over 11 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus with our power plus minus 2 here 11, that's 67 over 11x minus over power plus minus 2 here 11, that be 107 over 11 y plus 312 over 11 is equal to 0. To make this whole number, you multiply equation, multiply through by 11. So 11 times this, 11x squared plus 11y squared. Multiply by 11, you have minus 67x. Multiply by 11, you have minus 107y. Plus multiply by 11, we have 312. And 11 times 0 gives you 0. This is the equation of that circle. You can see the coefficient of x squared and y squared. They are the same.